Oi pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Hoje nós temos uma hora da leitura bem especial que eu prometi pra vocês no vídeo da semana passada, aonde eu trouxe esse livro dos bichos, falei pra vocês os nomes dos animais, qual é o vocabulário que as crianças aprendem com esses livros assim bem ilustrados. E agora, nada mais nada menos, eu tenho aqui que a Tina e a Nath pra poder falar pra vocês quais são os sons que os bichinhos fazem em inglês. Vamos lá? Let's read the book! Look, the animal farms.
Animal farm.
What do we have here?
The sheep.
Yes, this is a sheep. What do we have here?
Bird.
Bird.
Tree.
Okay, what is this?
Sun.
Sun. What is this? It's a bee. How does the bee do?
Bee.
Bzz, bzz, bzz. Let's meet the farm friends. This one is the cow. Do you see how it's white with black spots? Look. Tina, what is this?
The flower.
How many flowers do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very good. Okay. Look, Nachi, what is this?
Sheep.
Yes, this is a sheep. So fluffy and soft. How does the sheep do?
Ba ba ba.
That, very good. What we have here? It's an owl. See how big eyes it has?
Big.
Big eyes. Look, what is this?
Star.
Star. Yes. How many stars we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Look who is coming here. It's the chicks with their orange beaks and their yellow little bodies. How does the chick do? Nachi, how does the chick do? Very good. Look, what is this?
Eggs.
Yes, how many eggs we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17.
17, very good. Now, hopping and happy, the frog arrives with big legs and a big smile. It loves to bounce through the flowers and under the sun.
Mom.
Tina, where's the grass? Very good.
Mommy.
What?
Ladybug.
Yes, it's a ladybug.
It's a bee.
It's a bee, very good. And, Nath, what is this?
Sun.
Yes, it's the sun. The sun is shiny. Very good.
Shiny.
How does the frog do?
Rubber.
Rubber. Very good. And this friend, do you know? It is the puppy or faithful paw. How does the dog do?
Bark.
Bark. Tina, how does the dog do?
Bark.
Very good. Yay.
All
All done the book. Look, we have another sound of the animals, right? How does the duck do?
Quack quack.
How does the bee do?
Boo.
How does the lion do?
Wow.
What else?
Sheep.
How does the sheep do?
Ba.
Very good.
Sheep.
Yes, it's a sheep. Okay, people, all done.
So guys, kids about and what you do.
Bye.